Hello friends, we will today integrate our Stripe payment. So for that, the first stage will be getting acquaintance of the all different things in Stripe. For that, we will go for this website, and we will download, pre-configure all the projects, and you can download from here. You can configure your platform, and then you will run our component with two scripts. These are the two scripts which will run your component on the front end and the server, and then you have to set three things. The first thing will be server configurations. Here, the calculation of cost. Calculate order amount that is coming from the front end. Here is the API received. This is the calculate order amount, and here your item will be, and the item which is coming from the front end is something like this. See whether it is array or array of object, you have to know that thing. So here we have, and this is the component actually coming, which is, sorry, this is not, this is the format in which it is coming. So this is going to the front end on body, and front end is receiving it on body. Here it is received item, then press dot body, and calculation is done, and all the extra variables are set. Currency China, description is this, and after that the response is sended back to the front end. So front end will our successful the response will be done. So that is the first thing, is calculation of the money. The second thing will be the problem which you will face due to automatic running of a script on your on your front end. So if you inspect this, you will find there is an iframe. There is an three iframe, and which is running three scripts. So this script will not run, and it will show some error which is related to this. Sorry, related to related to content security policy. So that will be your second error. For that, you have to set two things. This is frame src and image src self https. So these two script will be allowed to be run on your browser if you set these two things. That will be your second error which you will face, and the third error you will face will be the error related to the link. Before that, you have to go to package.json, and you have to just correct this. So you have to give this forward backward slash, and that will make correct your third error. So if you do three things with that file which is you download from the backend, then everything will be okay. And after before doing all these things, the first time you have to do all the process of this, that how things are gone, uh, is working in this sample code. For that, we have to come from here and understand what the functionality of use effect, and how the check out form is working, which is here, and how our server is responding. So after understanding these uh, 3 to 4 files, you do what I suggest you to do. That is three things. First is the calculation of cost. Second is uh, content policy handling, and the third thing, which is the proxy, which is the proxy here, proxy corrections. So this thing we think will make you able to work with these type. So here I will give you a refresh and show you that how things are work, and I am on this, and this is checkout page. I will refresh. So this is request is done, and there is initial some request is going. So this request is known as create payment intent is requested. So there is some intent is given to the backend. After that, we are sending details. So these details are sent from the front end. Then we will give enter, and the payment detail is sent. And after that, the payment successful will be shown to you. Payment is successful, you are being redirected. So I have not set a redirect page. As you can see, there is a redirect to localhost 3000. Before that, we were on localhost 3000 checkout page, and we have and currently we are on only localhost 3000 with payment in and ID and some more things like payment in and ID and status code, which is success, redirect status success. So these things are come as a query parameter where I have redirected. So you can set up redirect page. I have not set up redirect page, that's why it has come again to the same page. So you can say what is the response I got. So these are the responses I am getting from here. This is the actual response from the after successful payment. So this is the response. So that's it for the today. I will next time show you a proper integration in React of my style in similar way. Goodbye. Subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and share it with others.